How to upload folder in Google Drive. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your drive. Now tap on plus new icon. Then go to upload. You can easily upload your folder from here if you already have made any folder, but if not, simply tap on plus icon, then go to folder. Create a new folder and then upload it over there. If you are uploading your mm, separate folder using your computer, you will also have an option of folder upload, and from there you will be able to get options of accessing to your folders and simply upload it from there. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.